Feminine Grace Naturals. Plants for feminine intimate hygiene recipes. 1. Chamomile infusion, soothing and anti-inflammatory. Ideal for irritation or discomfort. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers, 500 milliliters of water. Preparation: 1. Boil the water and add the chamomile flowers. 2. Let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Strain and let it cool down. Usage: use the lukewarm infusion for gentle external cleansing, 1 to 2 times a day. Can also be used as a Sitz bath for 10 minutes. 2. Thyme Sitz bath, natural antiseptic, herb. Ideal for fighting bacterial infections and unpleasant odors. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of dried thyme, 1 liter of water. Preparation: 1. Boil the water, add the thyme, and let it infuse for 15 minutes. 2. Strain and let it cool down. Usage: sit in a basin filled with the lukewarm infusion for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week in case of discomfort. 3. Aloe vera hydrating gel, moisturizing and healing, seedling. Ideal for dryness or irritation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, optional. Preparation: 1. Mix the aloe vera gel with the lavender essential oil. Usage: apply a small amount to the external intimate area. Use once a day after washing. 4. Sage Intimate Wash, Flora Balancer, Falling Leaf. Helps balance intimate flora and reduce unwanted